Well, there's our female Cooper hawk. She's got the food that he brought her earlier. She's having a little snack. And here he comes for the mating. Alright. He got the nest all lined with small pieces of bark, about the size of a quarter. And that's all ready for the eggs to be laid on. And then when the youngsters hatch and they mess the nest a little bit, you can take the soiled ones out and replace them with fresh ones. Looks like a fairly good sized bird they got. Keep her well fed. She looks good too. They're both healthy birds. Feet are really yellow. It's a good pair of Cooper hawks. He's a good provider. He brings in all the food when they get started. She's incubating, so he brings her food, calls her off with the bick bick call, and then she sails out. And he gives it to her here, and then he would go in on the nest and incubate until she's done. And then he's got to bring all the food for the youngsters and her, and then himself too. So he is an excellent hunter, good provider. This is a great shot here of her feeding, so we like that. We will definitely hang in there. Keep a close eye on them. But she'd been fed earlier, and then they sat here and sunned themselves. She had breakfast. Now this is kind of like lunch now, see.